Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Twitter account. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Let's start. At first, you have to open the Twitter app. And here, if you want to add an email account, you guys can choose among them. I'll choose this one as my email address. And now they will ask you if you guys want to continue with this name. Now tap right here. And right now they will ask you to select your language. Tap on next right here. And here they will ask you what's your birthday date. That means you have to add your birthday date. Now tap next right here. And again tap on next. And right now they'll ask you to add your username. You guys can also skip it for now, but if you guys want to add it, you guys have to put a username. Now tap on next right here. And right now tap on continue. Now tap on allow. And they will suggest you some people to follow. If you want to follow them, you guys can also follow them. But if you guys don't want to, tap on next. And here, what do you want to see on Twitter? They will ask your interest. If you want to see music, entertainment, or sports on Twitter, then you guys can choose any of them. Now, you have to select 3 of them. Now tap on next. And right now tap on next. Right now they will ask you to follow at least 1 people on Twitter. Now I'll tap on Elon Musk to follow him. Now tap next right here. As you guys can see, I have created my Twitter account right now. And right now, I can also customize it. Yes, you have to go to your profile by tapping here. And here, you guys can also edit your profile. You guys can change the profile picture. Like this. And also you guys can edit your cover picture like this. You can also change your name like this. And also you guys can add bio. In that way, you guys can also edit your profile. See how easy to create a Twitter account? Hope this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, then visit to our channel where you can find a lot of videos like this. Thanks for watching our video. See you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.